Hey, this is Joey here at Best Trailers. Here today I'm going to show you this Aluma wide body car hauler or UTV hauler we just got in. We've got several of these in actually. They do this model in a number of different sizes. You can get a single axle 15 foot, or you can get the tandem axle like this in 18 to 28 foot. This is the 22 foot model. You can see easily here, you can get a side load razor on here. This is a Razor 170. I believe you can also fit a 570 on here sideways. And then I've got my 800 here on the back. You get two on here. You can easily put a crew cab and a smaller razor up front. Number of different configurations. Now there's pull out ramps that'll slide out to the back. You can hook those onto the side for when you're side loading your ATVs. And you can hook them onto the back for rear loading. They've also built them with reinforced fenders here. You've got traction all the way down the fenders to where if you've got the wider side-by-sides, you can drive over those. Now, like I said, these come in a number of different lengths. The 28 foot, 26 foot is the ideal length if you've got two crew cab, razors, rangers, whatever you want. Put two of them on here back to back. Now this is all aluminum frame, so it's lightweight, roughly off the top of my head, about 1,500 pounds. All right, now you've also got 5,200 pound torsion axles underneath it, so you got a nice smooth ride going down the road. Aluminum mag wheels, so no rust or corrosion on there. You've got the D-rings and stake pockets going the full length down the trailer, LED lights all the way around. You can tie down to any of those stake pockets. There is also 4 tie downs in the bed. And you have rear loading lights tucked in underneath the headache bar up front here. All right, and as always, come see us. We're in Byron, Georgia, 478-654-5350.